And in November 2007, I realized that the values that I was working on are not the American values. The American, sadly, is basically do what the Rothschild wants you to do. And obviously, Rothschild doesn't want my project to succeed. He doesn't want my project to be alive. He wants to bury it deep, deep, deep under the ground, and even go even deeper, and maybe build some kind of a building on top of it, so nobody would sure get to that. So that's basically my safety nets grant. So I left with no safety nets, and I just can opt for individuals. Because yet another safety nets are the people. And for years and years, people kept telling me that they like my ideas, it's great ideas, and they hope it's going to happen, but they're not going to do any contribution because the government doesn't care. And if the government doesn't care, the special interest won't care, and if the special interest not care, and the government doesn't care, then this project will never happen. But everybody's talking like, oh yeah, they'll be the one that will do it for sure. They're just not going to do anything about it because nobody else is going to do about it, and it's a waste of time. And that's been like that for 6 years. Thousands of people talking like that. But eventually it was 2008 came, and I realized that the government doesn't care, and we have to bypass it. I realized that many of the directors that wanted to join this project or loyal to the secret societies. But then I shared with the public, and suddenly I realized that the public don't care. And all this time that the public told me that they care, but because nobody else cared, in reality, they didn't care, but just didn't have the guts to say it in front of me. And that's what basically left me totally, completely dry. And people need to care, and without caring, this project won't happen. And it's very sad for me. It's also very sad for me because my dedication was based on the fact that I'm doing it as definitely a favor for the American people. But it's not an ego issue. It just was an issue that you expect people to do good, and you see, first of all, you want to see good results out of it, and you also expect to eventually to be taken care of later. I ask you, first of all, to support it. First of all, to read it, because if you don't read it, it's basically dead. Or listen to this tape. This is why I made this tape, because I believe that when somebody you hear something, it's more effective than you read it. And also for me, if I talk about it instead of writing it, I'll make it more alive. Spiritually, it's important. Confession is very important. So even when I'm talking about it, it makes it alive. And if you read it and talk to other people, not write to them, talk to them, that makes it even more alive. And if you refer them to my videos, also to the PDF file, but more important to the videos, that will make it even more alive. So I hope you do that, and I hope that many people would know about it so we can do something in the future. But also hope that all of you find some kind of generosity in your heart to help me a bit, because government won't help me, the union won't help me. Thank you very much.